Hello students, welcome back to Math Academic YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn an interesting math topic, factorizing trinomial quadratic expressions. In this video we will learn from basics. What are factors? What is trinomial? And what is quadratic? We will discuss these topics. And also we will discuss few examples. Factors. What are the factors of 10? Well, 10 is equal to 5 times 2, and also 10 times 1. So, 5, 2, 1, 10 are called factors of 10. X is equal to 2 times 5 times x. So 2, 5, and x are factors of 10x. X plus 5. This algebraic expression can be written as 2 times 5 times x plus 5 times 1. 5 is a common factor. We can write 10x plus 5 as 5 times 2x plus 1. So 5 and 2x plus 1 are factors of 10x plus 5. Trinomial expressions. Trinomial means, in an algebraic expression there are 3 terms, as few examples. 2x cubed plus x squared plus x, b to the power 4 plus b plus 1, and ax squared plus bx plus c. Quadratic expressions. When the highest exponent of the expression is 2. Such kind of expressions are called quadratic expressions. Few examples. X squared plus x, and x squared plus bx plus c, and x squared plus 8. So trinomial and quadratic algebraic expression means there are 3 terms including a square term or power 2. As an example, x squared plus bx plus c. Here, a should not be 0. Why? Otherwise, ax squared. This whole term disappears. Then bx plus c is not trinomial or quadratic. We will discuss few examples. X squared minus 5x plus 6. Here we can see there are no common factors for the 3 terms, so typical method is not applicable. First step is to multiply the square term and the constant. In this case, we get 6x squared. Second step is writing factors of that. What are the factors of 6x squared? 3x times 2x, negative 3x times negative 2x, 6x times x, negative 6x times negative x. Third step is to get the summation of each pair of factors. 3x plus 2x is equal to 5x. Minus 3x minus 2x is equal to minus 5x. 6x plus x is equal to 7x. Minus 6x minus x is equal to minus 7x. Fourth step, look at the x term, or middle term of the expression. That is negative 5x. Here we have negative 5x as the summation. So we use this pair of factors minus 3x minus 2x. We can replace minus 5x with minus 3x minus 2x. Look at first two terms. X squared minus 3x. What is the common factor for x squared and 3x? It's x. Then write x out of the brackets. Within brackets x minus 3. And see the next two terms. Negative 2x plus 6. Negative 2 should be out of the brackets. X minus 3 is in the bracket. Then factorized answer is x minus 3 times x minus 2.
Next example, x squared plus 6 minus 5x. We have to rearrange this as x squared minus 5x plus 6. This is the standard form of a trinomial quadratic expression. Now it's clear that this is the same expression we discussed in previous example. So the answer will be x minus 3 times x minus 2. Last example, 2x squared plus 5x plus 2. Multiply first and last term. 2x squared times 2 equals to 4x squared. Then write the factors of 4x squared. 2x times 2x. For x times x, negative 4x times negative x. Get the summation of each and every pair of factors. Middle term is 5x, so we choose 4x plus x. Look at the first two terms. The common factor for 2x squared and 4x is 2x. Within brackets x plus 2 is remaining. Common factor for x plus 2 is 1. Factorized answer is x plus 2 times 2x plus 1. Okay, my dear students, thanks for watching. To inquire for online math classes, contact me through Fiverr platform or send me a WhatsApp message. See the description for more info.